Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how much does Gusto Payroll actually cost. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you don't know how much Gusto Payroll actually costs. How much is it actually going to cost you to put yourself on payroll? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say they're interested in using Gusto Payroll. And if we actually take a look at how much it actually costs, there's three plans to choose from when it comes to signing up for Gusto. So you have the simple plan, you have the plus plan, and then you have the premium plan. The one that I'm on is on the simple plan just because I run payroll and from just one state. So if you have multiple employees from multiple different states, then you might want to use the plus plan. I'd say that's the biggest differentiating factor between which plan of Gusto Payroll you need to use. I'd say once every 2 years, Gusto Payroll tends to increase their monthly price. Right now it's at $50 a month, but it used to be around like $46 or $44 a month. But the money that you pay for Gusto Payroll is still really worth it just because it saves you time, it saves you the headache of having to learn payroll yourself, and it also prevents you from making costly mistakes when it comes to running manual payroll. So if you're running manual payroll, I highly recommend you don't do that. Definitely use Gusto. But with Gusto, no matter which plan that you use, whether you use the $50 a month plan, the $80 a month plan, or the $180 a month plan, there's no gatekeeping. You get like the main features of running payroll, no matter which plan you use. And with it, all your employees, yourself and your other employees included, you also get self-service. So what I mean by that is you can go into documents and you could actually access your W-4s, W-9s, or your pay stubs if you need it to apply for an apartment or something. But with that being said, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, you get $100 sent to you once you run your first payroll. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.